Hello friend, in this video we are going to learn the beautiful process how to grow pineapple at home. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can watch every videos. Following some very easy steps, we can easily grow large pineapple in our garden. So let's get started. We will take fresh pineapple with healthy crown. This is the fruit part and this is crown part. Gently twist the pineapple crown and it will come off very easily. This crown is very fresh. So let's separate the crown part. Just we will twist the crown and it will come off very easily. Let's watch the process once again very quickly. You can also slice off the crown. We can use this fruit part. Now we will remove some of the lower leaves. We will remove the lower leaves, exposing about 1 to 1.5 inch part of the crown. Pineapple is very delicious and healthy fruit. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, which is strong antioxidant. It is ready now for next step. We will keep this pineapple crown in a room for 2 days to allow the wound to dry. To prevent rot hair, it is very important to dry out the cut part before planting. After 2 days, it will look like this. This part is dry now. Now we will take a glass. You can use metal glass also. It is transparent so we can easily observe the result. Now we will fill it with little water. Fill about 1/4 part of the glass. Now we will take the crown and we will put the bottom part of the crown into the water. Only the cut part should be into the water. Do not keep the upper portion into the water to prevent rot. If necessary, you can reduce or add water to maintain the level. The water level would be like this. Only the bottom cut part is into the water. Now we are placing the glass in partial shade where it can receive indirect sunlight. Watch the video till the end to get clear idea for growing large pineapples. After 5 to 6 days, roots will start to form. After every 4 to 5 days, change the water of the glass. You can apply this water to any plant. I repeat, we will change the water after every 4 to 5 days until the roots are 1 to 1.5 inch in large. We will keep it again into the water. After 11 days, we will observe the result. The roots are large enough. Roots are now more than 1 inch long. It is now ready to grow in soil. Watch the video till the end. We will observe the beautiful result. Take a large pot with drainage hole at the bottom. These are the drainage holes. Now we will cover the hole with brick chips for better drainage. Now fill it with fast draining potting mix. To prepare this potting mix, we will take 50% normal garden soil, 30% organic compost and 20% fine sand. Then we will mix it well. After filling the pot with the potting mix, we will take the rooted crown. All the crowns are well rooted. Now we will plant them in the pot. We will make a hole at the center of the pot like this. Gently place the plant into the hole and firm the soil around it. Watch the video till the end. We will observe the result after few months. In a previous video, I have described another process to grow pineapple. After watching this video, you can visit this channel to watch that process. Planting is ready. Now we will apply water thoroughly. Apply water quite enough. Now we will keep the pot in partial shade for 5 to 8 days. Water only when the top layer of the soil feels dry to touch. After 5 to 8 days, we will keep this pot in sunny location. Fruits will appear after around 8 to 10 months. To grow large pineapple, container size should be large enough. This plant prefers warm sunny conditions, so keep them in sunny place. Temperature should be 22 to 28 degrees Celsius. They do not need a lot of water, so wait until the soil has dried out before watering, and then water the leaves and soil. They are more likely to be badly affected by overwatering. Each plant only ever produces one fruit. Thereafter, we need to watch for it producing baby plants around the base. Given the right care and conditions, each of the new baby plants will produce a new pineapple. Baby plant is growing here around the base. We should use dry fertilizer 10-10-10 NPK with 4 to 6% magnesium is best for this plant. If you are planting multiple pineapples, give them at least 1 feet distance between each plant. I hope this video will help you to grow beautiful pineapple. If you are new in this channel, subscribe to this channel clicking the subscribe button to never miss a video. I will be very happy if you please let me know down below in the comment section what are the other topics on which I should make a video for you. Thank you for watching this video.